Welcome to the installation and commissioning tutorial for the JIANMENG CNC horizontal V grooving machine. First, secure the lifting rings to the 4 lifting points on the equipment. Hoist the equipment to the appropriate position. This is the list of accessories. Remove the 2 gantry fixing blocks. Then place the iron blocks under the foot screws at the 4 corners of the equipment. Next, adjust the level of the machine. Correct the level by adjusting the foot screws. Please place the spirit level at the 3 positions shown in the video. After the equipment level adjustment is completed, tighten the nuts on the base screws at the 4 corners of the equipment. Place iron blocks under the remaining base screws. Ensure the screws and nuts are properly tightened to bear the load. Next, connect the foot switch, the spring air hose, and the air gun. Fill with number 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. Connect the air source and the power supply. Connect the power cord to the circuit breaker. Make sure the input power is 3-phase 380 volts. After all work is completed, turn on the power. Turn the key switch. Wait for boot. Start the oil pump after starting the machine. Shut off the oil pump immediately after starting. Confirm the direction of rotation of the oil pump motor. Note, there is no pressure when the oil pump is reversed. If the oil gauge value does not rise, shut down the power. Swap any 2 live wires. Recheck the voltage and then power on. Start the oil pump after restarting. Click All Home. The equipment installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.
JIANMENG